What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We got this motherfucker out here waiting. He's going with us. I forgot my GoPro, so I'm just gonna film on the phone today so we don't have to turn around because we got a little drive ahead of us. I decided to just film on my freaking phone. We're not going back to go get the GoPro, but we're headed to go get the exhaust straight piped on this thing. All right, you guys, it is windy today. It's supposed to be like 80-mile-an-hour winds. I know you probably can barely hear me because of the wind noise, but here's what the exhaust sounds like right now, okay? Like I said, we are going to go get this thing straight piped. I might get a different tip on it. I'm not quite sure. Like I said, you can probably barely hear me. I almost have to yell for this video, but this thing is gonna be straight piped here in just a little while. We're headed back over to Exhaust Pros over in Aurora so we can get this done for you know, for the cheap. Kind of gonna get it done for like 150 bucks. Something they're gonna straight pipe on them, see if they can weld a few other things for me while we're there. But that's what we're doing. We're getting this 2018 2.7 Ecoboost straight piped today. Stay tuned, guys. We are making a quick pit stop at one of our favorite places here, Black Rock, to get some morning caffeine. And then we'll start making our way over there and get the ball rolling on this. Going to Black Rock, you guys. There's a lot of people sitting in their cars today in the parking lot for some reason, but you've probably seen this in one of my past videos when we were driving the Porsche. This is one of my favorite places to go. Hopefully it's good today. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. We got our morning caffeine. You ever had one of these? Oh yeah, buddy. These things smack. Sugar-free Mai Tai fuel. It doesn't really taste like a Mai Tai, but damn, they're good. All right, you guys, we just got to the shop and it's like sleet, hail. I don't really know what to call this. It's, you know, 50 degrees out here. I'd call it hail, I guess. But we're at the shop here on Colfax, Exhaust Pros. Said about to get this thing straight piped. Hopefully it sounds pretty good and you guys like it, and hopefully I like it. Fingers crossed, you guys, that this sounds good. They're getting ready to pull it in right now. We're gonna look underneath and get on the same page and get it done. So guys, we're gonna chop this out and straight pipe it. And yeah, looks like it did move out of that hanger, huh? How goofy. All right, well, that's what we're doing. Chopping it out.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing.
I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I told you how Colorado is bipolar with its weather. It's actually sunny and kind of nice out here, not as windy. You can probably hear me a little bit, but we're on super busy Colfax, but it's in the shop right now. You probably saw the quick video of it up on the lift. I'm trying not to bug these guys too much because they got a lot going on, but we got it up on the lift. It should be done here soon, and we'll see how it sounds. Shoo! All right, fingers crossed this some of it sounds good. We'll see here in a minute. We're just waiting for him to bring it out of the bay here. I don't know if I'm supposed to drive it out or not, but man, I hope this sounds good. I mean, you can tell it's louder already. Yeah. Just idle. At least it's not obnoxious. Not yet. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll try to zoom in. Oh, there's my finger. Look at the stack on this truck. My God, it's a trash can. Does it have a flap on it? Mm-hmm. What the hell? That thing's ridiculous. All right, so we're driving this thing after picking up from the shop. I'm going to find a parking lot or something where I can jump out and have Zach rev a little bit. It's definitely got more drone in the cab than it did prior. I kind of feel like a 16-year-old high school student driving my riced out Subaru, but I'll get some better videos when we get out to a parking area. Definitely need to get a tip for it, or at least fix this one. You can probably hear it a little bit, you guys. Zach's gonna rev it for us. Like I said, I really feel like a 16-year-old because this thing is just, maybe it's just way louder than what I'm used to. It's not awful, but yeah, go ahead and rev it. I definitely feel even more like a 16-year-old. It's cool. It's definitely cool, but damn, that shit is loud. Guys, I don't even know how to explain this. Maybe Zach can explain it, but this guy, after going to the shop, he welded from a 2.5-inch pipe to a 3-inch pipe, tried to fucking line it up, and then he just filled in the rest of the freaking gap with weld. I'm gonna show you guys, this is ridiculous. Well, you guys, look, fucking right there, look at that. I guess that's what $140 fucking gets you in fucking ghetto Aurora.
She said, it looks awful.
Oh, it's a damn good thing. Where's my fucking headphones in my ears? It's a damn good thing that nobody looks under my truck. All right, you guys, I am just getting home. I'm gonna jump out of this truck and see if I can show you one more time what the exhaust looks like. They did such a hack job putting it together. So what they did today was they took off the stock muffler, since I already deleted the resonator, and they just straight piped it. And when they did it, he did such a hack job on it. He didn't use the proper fittings to go from a 2.5-inch to a 3-inch pipe. So it just looks awful. I mean, it did the job. He did what I asked him to do. But it's also kind of loud for me. It reminds me of being in high school and being a 16-year-old with a super loud car. And that's not what this was about. So yeah, we did that. And I think we're going to figure out a way to try to go back to stock, or at least add a muffler on it or something like that. Because this is kind of loud and obnoxious. I mean, you can probably hear it. Listen. Yeah, not great. So I'm going to work on trying to get this thing back to stock. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to go back so you guys can see what he did to the exhaust. See how kind of a crap job they did installing this thing. But here it is right here, okay? It doesn't look pretty. Again, he did what I asked him to do. It just does not look good. So that's all they did today, was take out the muffler and install that pipe. And yeah, well, crap job. Kind of is what it is, but oh well. So with that being said, you guys, I am gonna wrap this video up here. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button for me, and even the bell notification if you want to be notified every time a video gets posted. We had some fun today with this. This was kind of a goofy video. Definitely do not go to Exhaust Pros. They do a hack job when you do your stuff. So figure it out, go to a better shop than what I did, and we will catch you in the next video.
I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah.